My name is Fernando Jaramillo, and I'm an associate professor here at the Department of Physical Geography. I work with water resources, hydrology, and remote sensing. So the idea is trying to understand how are humans changing water resources nowadays, and how will these changes happen in the future. Okay, it has taken now almost 2 years to prepare this course. The course is called Water Resources Sustainability. It's gonna be the flag course of the coming Masters in Water Resources, starting 2025. So the idea is that students are able to assess and determine what is the best way that a hydrological project can be developed in order for it to be sustainable in terms of ecosystem protection and restoration, but also in terms of socioeconomical aspects. How can water consumption be calculated? So there's many ways in which humans consume water, so we're going to be able to understand and quantify that. We will also try to understand what does it mean for a water resource to be resilient to change, or what does it mean for a water resource to be stable. There will also be ongoing lectures on what water management is, or also adequate water policy, water governability. That's also another subject that we will deal with. And we will also try to do some system dynamics with water. So the idea is that the student will be able to determine how the best possible allocation of a water resource. So we can allocate water for hydropower, we can allocate water for irrigation if there's agriculture, but we also need to think about that we need also to leave water for the system as a whole, because water actually is the media where fauna and vegetation are relying on, are living on. The course is directed to master's students from other masters, so not only at the Department of Physical Geography, but also at Stockholm University or in other universities of Sweden or other countries in the EU. So any of you can apply to the course. I think it's very useful for students in many ways. For instance, if a student wants to pursue an academic career, this will give the student important insights on what's the importance of water in terms of research, but also it will give you tools for consulting or to work in an environmental or a governmental authority where you have to deal with water issues, so how to make decisions and how to address problems related with water. I don't work 24 hours a day, of course. I have many hobbies. I have 2 kids that I love to be with my kids and plan activities with them. We also go out and we walk in nature a lot. So I like to walk and see the area around Stockholm. And also we travel. When it's possible, we travel to see the different projects that we have worldwide, in the tropics also. And yeah, and I would say that basically sports, I like tennis. I've always liked tennis all my life, so that's what I do.